Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, O Aisha, if it had not been very short span of time since your people abjured the pre-Islamic period of ignorance, I would have passed orders to demolish Allah's house and included in it the portion which had been excluded, and kept its gate at the level with ground, and made two gates for it, one in eastward direction and one in westward direction, and rebuilt it on the foundations laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. This was the reason that compelled Hazrat ibn Zubair to demolish it. Yazid said, I went to Hazrat ibn Zubair when he was rebuilding it after tearing it down, and included the portion of the Hatim. I saw the stones of the foundations laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, which resembled the humps of camels. Jarir narrates that he said to him, Where is its place? Foundations laid by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. He said, I just show it to you. I along with him entered Hijr, and he pointed to a place and said, Here it is. Jarir said, I measured from Hijr, so it was about 6 yards or so. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1586.